Let us try to understand the different participants in money market. A large number of borrowers and lenders make up the money market. The first and foremost participant in money market of India is central government. Central government is mainly a borrower in money market. Government of India raises short-term funds in money market with the help of treasury bills issued on its behalf by RBI. The treasury bills of 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days of maturity are issued at discount in money market. Cash management bills are also an addition which were introduced in 2010 to raise funds required for less than 91 days. The second participant is Central Bank, that's Reserve Bank of India. It plays most crucial role in Indian money market by being a regulator of all the financial institutions participating in money market. It tries to maintain financial stability in the economy through the implementation of monetary policy. Then comes the commercial banks. Commercial banks borrow to meet their short-term requirements of cash through call money market, repurchase agreement, cash management bills. Okay, they lend by buying commercial papers and certificates of deposits. They grant short-term loans to borrowers. Bill of exchange are discounted and rediscounted by commercial banks in India. Public sector borrowings are also a participant in India's money market. They participate in market by issuing commercial paper and they also raise short-term funds to arrange for their working capital. The next group of participants are insurance companies. Both general and life insurance company usually lend their surplus cash in money market. Being cash surplus entities, they do not need to borrow in the money market. With the introduction of collateralized borrowing and lending obligations, that's CIBLO in 2003, the insurance companies are finding it easy to invest huge sum of money in the market as it is secured with collateral. Mutual fund houses, which includes different asset management companies such as UTI, money market funds, offer a wide variety of schemes to investors to enable them to invest in money market mutual funds and thus also become a participant in India's money market. These fund houses usually invest in liquid or ultra short funds. The funds invested can be withdrawn by offering a 1 day notice and it can be withdrawn through a bank ATM. Corporates make the last participant in the participants list. Corporate houses are both a lender and a borrower in the money market. They borrow through short-term loans from commercial banks, issue of commercial papers subject to required credit rating, discounting of commercial bills. Corporates also lend through CIBLO market, buying of certificates of deposits, which are issued by banks or all India financial institutions and through purchase of treasury bills. Institutions such as pension funds, trust, association, provident funds, non-banking financial institutions, primary dealers, cooperative banks, and also the common man becomes a part of money market in India because all these institutions are at some point of time involved in borrowing or lending.